my living room above the TV. That homosexual. He wants to oppress the raza. I don't think so. My family happens to be Sureño on my mom's side and Norteño on my dad's side. I mean, I get that backwards. Sureño on my mom's side and Norteño on my dad's side. We got a big army. We got guns. We don't got bow and arrows. We don't got bow and arrows. We got guns. Many police officers are going to be shot. Like that. And one day, many police officers are going to lie on the street dead. I'm talking about over 1,000 across America. You know what they're going to do to the homosexuals? They're not even going to waste a bullet. From ear to ear, they're going to slice their throat, stack them up and burn them. Stack up their dead bodies and burn them. And when the fire goes out, put some more gasoline, burn them again. Make sure they're burnt. Thank you, India. Thank you, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh. Thank you,
Our sheriff on their way to meet with you. The sheriff is on their way to meet with you.
Like I said, over 2,000 police officers are going to be assassinated in one 24-hour period. Nombre